Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today, I want to walk you through the exact strategy that I use every single day, 24/7 in meme coins that most people never even consider. It's untapped and it's really fucking lucrative. I stopped trading charts and I started deving the coins instead. That's where the real money is. That decision has paid off really well for me and it completely changed my life. That's exactly why I am making this video. I want to show you guys exactly how to dev meme coins professionally. Pause for a second and look at this phantom wallet balance. $9 million from meme coins, but not from trading. There's a system behind this and I'm about to show you every single step right now. Now obviously bro, there's a reason to why I completely stopped trading and I only resort to deving meme coins to make all my money. First of all is that every single time I buy into a coin nowadays bro, in 2026, the coin goes to complete zero after a couple minutes, just like this coin right here. I would buy in and then after a couple minutes, the dev would liquidate my position, and the truth is that 95% of all these meme coins are going to go to zero after some time, and that's exactly why you have to start deving, because only the devs are benefiting from this effect. Now also bro, if you are a dev, you are basically risking nothing and you are profiting a bunch of fucking upside, because making coins costs literally $0. Anybody bro watching this video can make a coin. It all depends on what tools you're using and what narrative you have obviously. But yeah bro, that's exactly how I dev. Now the process is really simple. You deploy the token on chain, you wait for buyers to buy in, and when the market cap is high and you are satisfied, boom, you cash out, and then you can rinse and repeat that method bro. I'm able to make around 1k to 5k a day by launching a couple coins personally bro. That's my personal results, and that's exactly why I am making this video, because I want to show you what I do. Okay, so keep watching because this could be generational. And obviously bro, my video right here is made for educational purposes only. It's all for entertainment. I am not a financial advisor and I do not give financial advice. Do your own research, and obviously bro, cap. Now most people, when they are gearing up to launch a meme coin, the platform they usually lock in onto is Pump.Fun to launch meme coins. Now it is the most recognizable name, so it feels like the default choice to launch meme coins. But that's where the mistake is made. Pump.Fun is completely jammed with a bunch of tokens created non-stop. Most of these coins lose momentum almost immediately because it's fucking oversaturated. If you are still launching there bro, you are not rebuilding, you are just launching and hoping for the best. Now there is a serious catch. Pump.Fun controls your liquidity pool and takes a share from your creator fees. So from the very start of your launch, you don't fully own your own coin. Now, as a dev, the real goal is getting your token in front of the Radium DEX, where thousands of people are waiting to buy coins here. Okay, this is where volume is created. Now on Pump.Fun bro, reaching that point takes too long and depends way too much on luck. That's why you have to be launching your coins on create meme.io, because every single coin that is launched through here will go directly to Radium. It will skip the entire bonding curve and you will have an edge over everyone else, okay? And your coin will reach a bunch of fucking liquidity on the spot. A bunch of people are going to see your coin and potentially ape in. That's why I launch here. You guys will see why it's so good. Now to make a meme coin bro, you have two different ways to make one. The first way is the most obvious choice, and that's to create a whole new coin from scratch. Now to make a coin from scratch bro, most people go on X, right, and they look for a narrative to fucking make a coin out of. It could be literally anything from a tweet, a viral meme. For example bro, the penguin coin, right, the penguin meme that blew up on TikTok went absolutely crazy on the coin. That could be a good narrative bro. But yeah bro, anything. Once you have that narrative, create a name, add a quick symbol, add a quick image, and just like that bro, your meme coin is custom made after these steps. But I like to use the second method, and that's the copy trending coins method. Why is it so good, you might be asking? Well, it's because all these coins, they all have a good narrative, they're all going viral, right? And they're all getting a bunch of transactions on Pump.Fun right now. Which means if you copy a coin from this list, it could be any coin, well, your copy has a high chance of getting a bunch of volatility on Radium, right? And you could even surpass the coin that you copied. I would highly recommend the copy coins, and I'm gonna do a quick example for you guys. Anyways, let's stop wasting time and let's deploy a token. We will be copying a coin and seeing how much we can make in profits by the end of this video, all from copying. Now, first of all, make sure Phantom Wallet is connected, bro. Just like this, Phantom. I like to use Phantom personally. I'm sure most of you guys do. Click on the refresh button and then copy a coin, right? I'm gonna copy the Sigma coin. Why not? Click on copy the Radium. Then wait. What the fuck? And then ignore the block. It's completely normal. Every single launchpad will receive this block at the beginning. It's normal. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be copied in a couple seconds. Just be patient. Come on. Boom. And now if I go on SoScan, you guys can see that it's live. It's minted on chain, right? On the Solana blockchain on SoScan, right? 11 seconds ago. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is really easy. We are basically adding liquidity here so that people can actually buy in your coin, sell it on Radium, all that bullshit, right? This step opens the market for your token and makes trading possible by pairing it with Sol, so buyers can fucking buy in, and wherever the fuck, right, you control everything. Now amount token A is where we put our liquidity, okay? That is the supply in your coin. I would highly recommend 90%. That will drop whatever the fuck that is, right? Token B right here is for the first transaction in your coin. Now by the way, bro, just to clear things up, you're not losing anything here. You will be the first person to buy your coin, right? But since you are the dev, you are the creator, once you dump the coin and you remove the liquidity later on in your launch, you will get it back later, so it's not a big deal. I'm gonna put 0.3 SOL, which is the minimum, right? If it doesn't show up right here, the button, just click on max, right? But yeah, obviously I'm gonna put 0.3 SOL. Click on create pool, right? Then in the block from Phantom, it's completely normal. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. After that, bro, when that is done, click on the refresh button down below, then scroll down, and boom, the Sigma coin is on live, and your PNL will obviously be in the right box right here. Now if you click on the refresh button for a second time, you guys can see that now we're up 140 bucks in like around, I would say, 20 to 30 seconds, because these are possibly snipers or people aping in directly once they saw the coin, and that is a good sign because that means your coin is good. Now click on view on Photon to see the chart, or Axum, it's up to you. Let me go on full screen for you guys for a better view, okay, because we will be sitting here for a couple minutes. And as you guys can see, bro, once your chart loads in, you should see all the fucking transactions, all the movement live on camera. Boom, 80, 20, 50, 12. We're already up like $200 to $300 USD, by the way, in our coin. And as a dev, bro, you do not want to be greedy. Just let your coin go on, okay? Let it run. Let more people see your coin, buy in, transact, okay? And just farm those creator fees. And then at the end, when the market cap is high enough and you are satisfied, then now you can sell your supply, okay? Just keep it ethical, okay? Keep it fucking clean and good. 1.5k market cap, 1.1k liquidity. Things are looking absolutely insane. $22, $44. Let's fucking go, bro. I'm really hyped for this coin, bro. By the way, bro, deving meme coins is untapped. Not too many people are making coins all day, so if you start right now, bro, you can have an edge over everyone else. And yeah, bro, we made this coin for $0. And as you guys can see, bro, 120 bucks right here worth of buys. That's absolutely insane, bro. I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump, and I'm gonna be right back. Alright guys, I am back and we are at a 4.8k market cap, which is not too shabby, right? 2k liquidity, things are looking good. We farmed a lot of fucking transactions, right? Now come back to create meme.io, and obviously, bro, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, bro, boom, we're up 1.7k in USD on this coin, right? The Sigma coin. It's not too bad right now. If you want to clip out profits or just cash out, click on the minus button, and here you can choose the percentage that you want to do. I'm going to do 100%, remove liquidity, then just wait for Phantom to pop up. And as you guys can see, bro, we are going to receive around 20 SOL, 19 SOL on this launch, which is not too bad, right? I think this is in my top 10, top 20 launches, right? Now click on confirm. And boom, we officially completed the launch, from launching to cashing out, all in this video. Now in my Phantom wallet, bro, yes sir, 1.7 grand is not too shabby, right? 19 SOL went straight inside our Phantom wallet because we approved it in Phantom. And even though the market is down, bro, well, David meme coins is still pretty much alive. It still works because it's untapped, right? Now do not be discouraged if on the first coin you make 20 bucks, 50 bucks, 0, I don't know, 100, right? Just keep launching, be consistent, bro. Launch at least a couple coins a day. And yeah, bro, it's all about hard work and consistency. And yeah, bro, create meme.io will be linked in the comments down below or in the description, bro. And also like, comment, subscribe, bro. Join my Discord and Telegram, I would highly appreciate it. And by the way, bro, congratulations to the 5 Solana winner right here. If you want to enter for the next 5 SOL giveaway, just like, comment, subscribe, and join my Telegram group and Discord for more info on it. And yeah, bro, good luck to everyone.